Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make Roblox dark mode on your PC. First, launch the Roblox application on your computer. Once it's open, look for the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner, and click on it to access your settings. Within the Settings menu, you'll want to find the Theme or Display section. This is where you can adjust the visual appearance of your Roblox interface. It's a straightforward process to begin customizing your experience. After navigating to the Theme or Display options, you will see several choices for your Roblox interface. To activate dark mode, simply select the dark theme from the available options. Once you click on it, the change should be immediate, transforming your Roblox environment into a sleek, darker palette. This quick adjustment provides a more comfortable viewing experience, especially when playing for extended periods or in low-light conditions. It's a simple click to enhance your visual comfort. If the in-app setting isn't quite what you're looking for, or if you desire more customization, consider using a browser extension. Popular options like RoPro or BT Roblox offer enhanced dark mode features. You'll need to install one of these extensions through your browser store and then ensure it's enabled. Many extensions provide additional settings, allowing you to fine-tune colors and contrasts to your exact preferences, giving you even greater control over your Roblox aesthetic. Embracing dark mode offers several fantastic benefits. Primarily, it significantly reduces eye strain, making your gaming sessions much more comfortable, especially during long hours. For some devices, a darker interface can also contribute to slightly improved battery life by reducing the amount of light emitted. Ultimately, dark mode provides a more modern and aesthetically pleasing look to your Roblox experience, enhancing your overall enjoyment. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.